Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I'm going to pretty much give you my honest opinion on how this exhaust system that I have, which you guys may or may not have actually checked out, that I have on my 2018 BMW 340i. Basically, if you guys haven't checked out my previous videos, I have a catless downpipe on my car. I got it from Spool Performance, and I have a dual res delete, which I did like 3 months ago, but the catless downpipe I did about maybe 2 weeks ago, 2.5 weeks, not sure. So this is for the people who already own or is thinking about getting a 340i and have no idea what exhaust system to go for. So I'm gonna save you the trouble. Honestly, this is the best exhaust system that I've done, or exhaust setup that I've done on this car. I have a 2015 335 as well, so it's an N55 engine. I have that as well, and I've done the same exact thing. The only difference is I have high flow catted downpipe and a res delete. That one only has one resonator, so I did that one res delete. This one has two, so both of them are gone. It's just a catless downpipe. I didn't do anything to the mid pipe. Then it has the catless, or it has the dual res delete, and it still has the stock muffler. The previous owner had taken it out, but thankfully he gave it to me when I bought the car off of him, so I'll put that right back on. This car is currently tuned with MHD. It's a stage 2, so all the braps, and not braps, but like the overrun brap, that is from the MHD. That's not from this exhaust setup, and all the pops and everything like that. So, getting to my honest review, there's no reason for you to put that money towards the exhaust system, one of those aftermarket, you know, catback or this and that. I would highly recommend you guys go for this exhaust setup. You will not regret it. The car has absolutely no drone. Right now I'm in comfort mode, and I'm about 1500 RPM. There's zero drone. The car is very quiet in comfort mode. And if you guys want to open up your flaps or close your flaps, that's the reason I have the mufflers on, because I don't want the car to be loud. This is a perfect amount of loud there is on this car, and I'm able to control the flaps, or how loud my car can get and how quiet it can get. I can just control it through this button right over here. Put in Eco Pro, or even in comfort mode, it's not loud at all, especially when I'm cruising. But when I press on it, of course, it's going to be loud, but again, not obnoxiously loud. I did all of this minus the downpipe, because that's gonna come up with any exhaust system that's not related to the exhaust itself. Just the res delete, I spent about nearly $300 with the res delete. Actually, probably less than that. And then adding the downpipe, so pretty much my entire exhaust setup cost me, with the downpipe, cost me about, I want to say maybe 600, 700. I've looked around for some high-end exhaust systems, and that alone is not even enough, close to enough to cover those high-end exhaust systems. And this $700, that included the downpipe for me. So that's an amazing save. Definitely go for this. I'm going to let you guys listen to the exhaust, and if you guys have any questions whatsoever, leave them in the comments. I will be more than happy to answer them. If you guys have any opinions on what kind of video I should make, or anything you guys want me to showcase of the car, just let me know. I will definitely try to address those comments in another video. And yeah, so I'm gonna get out of your hair. I'm gonna let you guys listen to the exhaust. If you do like the video, please make sure you guys subscribe, like the video, and again, comment whatever your thoughts are, and let me know if I'm in the process of changing your mind.